Pop a wheelie. Mastering the art of bike tricks in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fun and interesting phrase, pop a wheelie. This is a phrase you might hear in conversations about biking or extreme sports. So, let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English. Pop a wheelie is a phrase that originated from the world of biking. It refers to the action of lifting the front wheel of a bicycle off the ground while keeping the back wheel in contact with the ground. This trick is often done for fun, in sports, or as a display of skill. It's important to note that this phrase is informal and mostly used in casual conversations. Now, let's look at how to use pop a wheelie in a sentence. It's often used as a verb. For example, he can pop a wheelie for over a minute. I'm learning how to pop a wheelie on my new bike. In these sentences, the phrase is used to describe the action of performing the wheelie. It's commonly heard among groups interested in biking or outdoor sports. The phrase, pop a wheelie, is not just about the action. It's part of a broader cultural context. It's associated with youth culture, freedom, and a sense of adventure. Understanding such phrases helps in grasping the cultural nuances of English, making you not just a language learner, but also a cultural learner. To master this phrase, try using it in different contexts. Practice making sentences with it. Watch videos of bikers and listen to how they use it. Try to use it in conversations about sports or outdoor activities. Remember, language is about expression, and phrases like pop a wheelie add color and vibrancy to your conversations. I hope this video has helped you understand and use the phrase pop a wheelie. It's a fun addition to your English vocabulary, especially if you're interested in sports and outdoor activities. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English phrases like a native. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.